FitLabPGH is back with another movement tip and lifestyle hack. This movement tip / lifestyle hack is a bit different. As you know, we are a podcast about movement because we believe movement is part of what makes your life complete. We think you should look at movement as a lifestyle and not just an activity. We've got a sister podcast, Moving to Live, for more information about movement by talking to professionals. And what we're going to start doing with some of our movement tip and lifestyle videos that we publish Monday, Wednesday, Friday is we're going to talk a little bit more about some of the products that we use, that we purchase and try out that we think are really good. So you'll see the next couple of videos, we're going to talk about two different devices to measure not activity level, but recovery, or how to determine your quality of recovery and whether you're ready to work out and or whether you're responding to the stresses in your life in a way that allows you to maintain a healthy lifestyle. Check us out and check out our podcast.